Bucky stand is an important component for chest photography. Nahik Bucky stand can be divided into a variety of types, including fixed type, mobile type and suspended type. According to the lifting mode of bucket, it can be divided into manual type and electric type. According to the way of loading, it is divided into formal loading and side loading. Nahik bucket stand adopts a balanced design to ensure smooth operation. For convenience, bucket stand has one operating handle on each side, which makes it easy to perform cervical spine and knee joint examination. Black box loading and unloading mode can be set to the left or right according to the layout of inspection room. Bucket stand has high intelligent positioning efficiency, convenient shooting of chest radiography and easy positioning control. It can solve the problems of low positioning efficiency, inconvenient chest film shooting and difficult to control accurate positioning of Bucky stand. Our Bucky stand can meet your different purchasing needs.